meter here that I've got outside of a little scanner. And basically I've hooked up two wires to the output. The input's 5 volts and the output is about 100 volts. Now I've got some little connectors here and I've got a little project box. Now what I'm thinking is that'll fit quite nicely inside that project box with the connectors in. We can have a switch on it, so we've got the input and output. So I'm going to connect the connectors up now. I'll go and do that. Right, I've drilled all the holes for the connectors and I'm just going to place them in now and see how much space we got left for the actual board. So I'm going to do that now. We've got the 5 volt connectors in place and the yellow high voltage in place. We just need to place the board in and solder it in, which I'll do now. Right, we've soldered up the low voltage side now, so we just need to cut these down and solder them up and then put the top on the box. I think I remembered just as I was soldering up that side is the fact that we want to be able to switch it on and off. So I've got a switch here which I've put in between the red wire, a little caution sticker saying that there's going to be high voltage coming out. So we just need to hook up these two sides now, and this should be done then. Now we've hooked up the extra 2 leads and we've got the finished product. All we need to do is put the top on and test it, so I'll do that now. There we've got the finished product now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use my solar charger to power it up and my multimeter to see what kind of voltage we get out either side. I'll do that now. Right, I've got my solar charger here that I've upgraded now to have 2 batteries in it. So it's 8 volts, and then we're regulating that back down to 5 volts. I think it works out at 5.1 volt, and that's coming round and into this little box here. And then the outputs go into the AC of this meter here. Now, if I was to switch this little box on, you can see that we're getting 108.5 volts AC out of that, and you can see that the neon's on inside the switch, which is brilliant. So that's great then. We've managed to get like a 5 volt DC, stepped up all the way to 108.5 volts. Thanks for watching. Interesting thought at the end. We've got a solar panel hooked up to this little inverter. The neon's lit there. We come round and you can see that it's fully lit there. So you can see